Hello guys, today we prepare another dish from south of Italy, original recipe from Puglia. Is mashed fava beans with cicory. Yesterday evening I put the fava beans, because they are dry, with the water. Now they are soft. So you need 300 grams of fava beans that I already put in the water yesterday, 500 grams of cicory, 1 onion, 1 clove of garlic, 1 leaf of basil, extra virgin olive oil, little bit of salt and the water to boil our fava beans. So now I remove the water, this one, the old one, from the fava beans. I clean the onion. The onion should not be cut, but you should keep like this. We put the onion, the fava beans, we cover with the water, little bit of salt, the laurel or bay, and we boil until they become very soft, more or less 1 hour. During this time I will clean the cicory. I will boil very fast them, and after I will put in a pot with the garlic, the extra virgin olive oil, and we will finish to cook them. And after we put everything together, but I'll show you later. Now we boil our vegetables 3-4 minutes, and after we remove from the water, we put in the pan with the oil and the garlic. I'll show you later. Now we should remove the foam from the fava beans. Our cicory is ready. We off the fire, we close with the lid. In this way our vegetable will remain warm. Now we can check our fava beans, because it's already past 1 hour, so our smashed fava beans should be ready. spectacular. The vegetable a little bit crunchy. The puree or the smashed fava beans are spectacular. And with the toasted bread, very yummy. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like and to watch all the other videos. If you have some questions and requests, let me know. Bye bye!